Hello, let's try Korean dictation. Today's video is about a daughter apologizing to her mom and her mom accepting it. It's an informal, close conversation. Check out the following video to see if you can hear what they are saying.
미안해. 잘못했어, 내가.
맞아. 잘못했어. 사과는 쿨하게 받아줄게.
I will say it twice so you can take dictation if you want. 1. 미안해. 미안해. 2. 잘못했어, 내가. 잘못했어, 내가. 3. 맞아, 잘못했어. 맞아, 잘못했어. 4. 사과는 쿨하게 받아줄게. 사과는 쿨하게 받아줄게. Let's check the answer. 미안해. 잘못했어, 내가. 맞아, 잘못했어. 사과는 쿨하게 받아줄게. Watch the video again and see if it helps you understand.
미안해. 잘못했어, 내가.
맞아. 잘못했어. 사과는 쿨하게 받아줄게.
I hope today's video will help you understand the Korean language. Thank you.